I mentioned that in the standard Big Bang theory, the universe has two possible fates. It may expand forever, or it may reach a maximum size and collapse toward a big crunch. If it does the latter, one may imagine that instead of the universe winking out at the big crunch, as usually assumed, it bounces and begins to expand again. If this were to happen, the big crunch would be the big bang of a new cycle. One can further imagine that such cycles of expansion, contraction, bounce, and new expansion have been going on forever and will continue forever into the future. This scenario was proposed by Einstein himself in 1930. Can it be true? Almost certainly not, for several reasons. In the first place, it was shown many decades ago by the theoretical physicist Richard C. Tolman that in such a bouncing universe, the cycles grow longer and longer because of the increase of entropy. That means they were shorter and shorter the farther one looks back into the past, and in such a way that the total duration of all past cycles added together was finite. That is, even in the bouncing universe scenario, the universe had a beginning. Second, the entropy of the universe increases with each cycle, and from the amount of entropy that exists in the present cycle, one can conclude that the number of past cycles was finite. Third, it is highly doubtful that a collapsing universe would bounce rather than simply ending in a crunch. And fourth, it was discovered in 1998 that the expansion of the universe is currently speeding up. The scientists who discovered this were awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics for 2011. So it is doubtful that the expansion will reverse and lead to a collapse at all.